Devin.
What's up, guys? It was a little hot. I had to turn the air on. What you doing? I got a truck. My Devin Dawson.
Never heard a song before, so make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, bro. Like, comment down below if y'all know any other Devin Dawson songs we need to listen to. So let's go and get into this thing, bro. Gonna vibe about the whole way.
I love country music. Big girl like this.
Everybody needs to come to Jesus. Moment in time, I can think up a couple reasons why this should be mine. 'Cause I got a song, I got something to say, I got a will to survive, got a dollar.
I love the build up. I love the build up.
Yeah.
The build up is really nice. Like,
I like how
you getting us prepared for this. Like, I love it. I love it.
I love the guitar going.
Yeah, he going, whoever he is, he going off. I appreciate it.
Got a little bit of luck. I got this going, get it feeling in my gut. And now I gotta try.
Ha!
I gotta try.
I got it.
So the young man to the banker as he pleaded his case. It's the only thing I can trade you, but it's worth more than its weight. Yeah, man, I swear I'm gonna pay you back one day. Yeah, you can take that to the bank, 'cause I got a song, I got a story to tell, I got a reason for living. I'm gonna give them all hell. I got a girl, got a whole lot of love. I got this going, get it feeling in my gut. Yeah, I gotta try.
I got a car.
I got a dream, and I hope it'll pray. I got an arrows for me there.
That build up coming.
In the greatness spirit. Now I got a thing stuff. Yeah, I gotta try. Yeah, I gotta try.
Oh, that was you? I thought that was in the song.
No, I'm just that good, baby. He should have did that though.
I got a truck.
He should have did that though.
Huh?
He should have been like.
He did, but he just ain't do it a long way like you was going. But dang, that's messed up though. I legit thought that was in the song, bro. I was like, hurry up, build up. Now knows you was doing. I was like, oh, this shit.
That's what I felt like he should have did.
But yeah,
Anywho,
I like the song, man, y'all, for real. I got a truck.
I done told
I got
you.
a car.
I done told you. I got a bank account. I ain't got no car.
Yeah.
Ain't got no truck.
Make sure you guys like, comment,
I got a
subscribe, bro.
phone.
Right. We'll
I
see
got
you
a
guys in the next
dream.
video, man. Oh my God. Bye, y'all.
I got some